Hello guys, this is Sir Gavin here, and I got this. It's a ghost pepper. I'm gonna eat it, and it's gonna be crazy. Why are you taking pictures? But I got some stuff ready. Cover up the logo on this really quick. Some ice cream covering logo, hopefully. Some yogurt and some delicious muffin things. And I got this, and I got a bowl to spit in if I need to. But yeah, this is gonna be painful. So let's do it. It's hot. Oh, that's freaking hot. Oh, right into the ice cream. Oh my god, that's hot. Oh. That is really hot. Oh, I want to wipe my eyes. Ugh. My eyes are tearing up. Ugh. Oh, it just gave me the hiccups. It's got a weird flavor.
Like?
Oh, it's like fruity, but it's flaming. Oh my god. That's freaking hot. Oh. The more I breathe, the more it hurts. Oh, it's like right in the base of my throat. Like, if I tried to get the ice cream there, it would like cough up because that's my gag reflex. Ah. Ah. Oh man. Oh, it's starting to set in. Ah. Oh, the ice cream is so relieving. Oh, this is not gonna feel good tomorrow. Oh man, it's bringing hot. Oh man.
Is it getting any better or?
No, it's
Worse?
like the longer the ice cream is not in my mouth, the hotter it gets. Every time, it's just getting hotter and hotter, especially in the back of my throat. And it is, oh man, it's fiery. Oh man. Relief of the ice cream. Oh, it's so good. Ah. Oh my god. Holy frick. Oh. Okay. Hold on.
He's gonna blow.
It's like, oh, my mouth. I would like to talk right now, but I can't. Oh, my nose is watering. My eyes are watering. So I'm just cleaning out my sinuses right now. Better than wasabi does. Oh. Okay. I think... No. I don't think I'm going to be able to talk yet. Wait. Hold on. Eat some muffin. That's not helping at all. Actually, no, it's not. Oh man. I don't know if I'm ever gonna want to poo again. Holy frick. But yeah, let's talk a little bit right now. I'm gonna have to keep on like eating this ice cream to prevent the flame from like exploding my head or something. But I'm a bit into it, and looks like I got some of the seeds. But the shell is pretty it's pretty gross. It's like wax, and that's something I don't like about like that. I hate that. It just it's like ugh. I don't know, but there's like fruity just for like a second, and then it just exploded in my mouth, and it was still like slightly sweet, but it was just like I gotta eat more ice cream, and probably will not do that again. Maybe. But that is it, guys. Surf Gavin signing out, I guess. See you later.
The purpose of this video was...
And, oh yeah, I forgot. The reason I'm doing this video is because I got 1,500 views last night, I think. So... yeah. Surf Gavin signing out, actually, this time.